Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I will show you how to disable cookies in Opera Mini on Android. Disabling cookies can help improve your privacy and limit tracking while you browse. Follow these simple steps to turn off cookies completely inside Opera Mini. First, open the Opera Mini app on your Android device. Next, tap on the Opera logo at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the settings icon. Now, scroll down and find the Advanced section. Tap on Advanced to see more options. Look for the option called Cookies. Tap on Cookies, and here you will see two choices: Enable or Disable Cookies. Select Disable to completely turn off cookies in Opera Mini. And that's it. You have successfully disabled cookies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.